What is up, everybody? Today I will be teaching you how to get macOS Big Sur, aka macOS 11, into your MacBook or iMac, whatever. Let's just call it Mac. So I'll have a link down below in the description below on the supported devices, supported Macs for macOS Big Sur, macOS 11. So I'll have another link in the description on the link for to get the to download or install the macOS Big Sur. So you're gonna write betaprofiles.com. I told you, like I said, down below in the description. So betaprofiles.com. You're gonna see like this page. Just go down till you see macOS 11. There are like iOS 14, iPadOS 14, watchOS 7, tvOS 14. Just macOS 11 is the fifth one. If I do full screen, it will be easier. It's the fifth one right here. Don't go on those. Those are the old macOS. This is macOS 10.15.6 is the old macOS Catalina. This is the new macOS 11 Mac OS Big Sur. So you're gonna press here, download. So then you're gonna press this. You're gonna see macOS developer access utility.dmg. Like I said, you don't have to be a developer. So then press this, continue, agree, install. You're gonna type in your passcode. Okay, after I finish it, it will take you here. So I'm already in iOS, sorry, not iOS, Mac OS 11, so it's not gonna tell me to update, but it will tell you here to update. Then press update and update it. I would recommend you guys to back up your Mac so you can't lose data, some data like important data you have while it's updating. So that's why I would recommend you guys to back up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and I'll see you guys next time.